just I have a comment. I used to before 2 years I go with a low carb diet at the Atkins diet, and really it was amazing. I took 2 months with it, and then I kept my ideal weight for a whole year. And then I get pregnant. Now I have a new baby.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Also, now I just started 1 week a low carb diet again because there was no side effects at all. But I read on the internet before 2 days, a lot of people had side effects, like a headache, like they have the feeling to vomit and so
Depression.
on. I just want to check: does it have side effects? I didn't used to have side effects of low carb, but now I'm just had doubts.
You are worrying, but you yourself, you didn't have any problem.
There's some changes in her hormones.
Yeah. Well,
my hair was good, my health was good, my skin has become better.
Dr. Hussein Dashti will answer you.
My dear, I'll tell you one thing now. Now, we followed more than 16,000 cases since 1999. And we did publish so many papers. Of course, one of them I mentioned, and then we can go ahead of certain things. Hardly in my practice with my people whom they follow, absolutely, they do feel, first week they feel headache, yes, I agree with you. They feel a little bit nervous. They do sometimes constipation, depressed first week, because we were addicted to certain type of food. Now I'm trying to stop it. Definitely I develop. This is hardly last 1 week or...
It's a withdrawal symptom.
Withdrawal symptom, yes. But in the long term, I doubt very much, hardly we found. Because if you go, we are not doing anything. We are giving you a good sort of diet. I'm telling you, have a good carb.
But she said in the beginning she didn't feel any
And she
pain.
did it for 1 year.
Yeah.
And she didn't feel it. Because she read in some internet where a lot of people, they do it. They say it. Yeah. But scientifically, if you go anywhere, in any journal, there's nothing. Because we are not doing. I'm not giving you drugs. I'm not giving you anything.
Yeah, doctor,
I'm switching.
Actually, doctor, hello? The caller is gone. Actually, a lot of people, as you said, it is once we are all addicted to sugar. We consume so much sugar, so much in the form of a simple sugar. So once it becomes like a mood regulator. It regulates our mood. Actually, sugar raises the blood serotonin, or serotonin level, a chemical in your brain that balances your mood. So you become so addictive to...
It's a habit, it's food habit.
Once you go into ketogenic diet, a lot of people, just, moderately, they go through a lot of symptoms. Sometimes it's unpleasant, but it's just for a short period of time, as Dr. Hussein mentioned.
Yeah, absolutely. As you were talking, you mentioned about serotonin. When we have carbohydrates, serotonin level goes high, insulin goes high, tryptophan goes high. And this, after a while, these all things goes down because their activity of sugar, the simple sugar, the energy which we obtain from sugar is really very low comparing to energy and to the energy which we are obtaining from the fat, something else continuous energy you are getting. While you are sleeping, you are burning certain type of fats. So the energy which you are getting it from ketone bodies, and ketone bodies loved by brain.
Ketone bodies is just coming from fat, which is resemble simple sugar.
Resemble to the sugar, absolutely. Yeah. Now ketone bodies are three, like beta hydroxybutyrate, acetone, acetoacetate. These ketone bodies which really gives the energy.
Which is actually formed by the liver.
Absolutely. So we don't want to go in biochemical changes, but if we go, it's a really complicated one. In any case, the brain, which is really 80% of its fat, loves the energy comes from fat.
Ketone bodies,
Even the heart loves the ketogenic ketone bodies. Absolutely. The contractility of the heart becomes much powerful. Even they did a good studies they took slices of the heart and they put it in two groups. A group they put high carbohydrate and the group they put low carbohydrate. Apparently, the slices of the heart muscle and the heart cells lived longer than the one which belonged to the high carbohydrate diet.
Yeah.
And even we did a study, preliminary study in our Faculty of Medicine, Kuwait, and it will be a really something which unbelievable.
Yes.
Even if you stop the blood
Yes.
to the heart among the people, among the animals, which was in high carbohydrate there compared with low carb, the low carb, they
get shocked.
They took over, and they took over, and the amount of the blood they preserved, and there was no changes. Even mitochondria, which is the energy production powerhouse,
Factory, yeah.
it was more among low carb diet comparing to the high carb diet. So this is now it's becoming, it's really unbelievable.
It's a recent study, isn't it?
A recent study, and still we didn't publish it. I think it will be something breakthrough. It's unbelievable.
Doctor, so you know, the problem, actually, a lot of people, they don't understand. They may criticize the low carb diet, and you are saying, well, you know, take